Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. In our last video, we have explained you about how to create radio button in Excel and how to connect this radio buttons to the data table. Here we have used filter function and switch function to connect the table to radio buttons. Now moving ahead, we are going to show you how to connect this radio buttons to charts. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Now, moving ahead, what we are going to do is we are going to create a horizontal bar chart for each player for the average. What I'm going to do is I'm selecting the player, click control button, select the average. For the average, go to insert, access the horizontal bar chart. Fine. So now you have created horizontal bar chart. You can add data table. So now the values are in zigzag condition. Now we have to sort it. I want the value which is maximum on top and minimum at the bottom. So what we are going to do is we are going to add sort function to it. Sort. The next thing is what we have to do is sort index. We have to sort based on the average. We have to find at which column, index column, the average is available. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Average is on 9th column in this array. Put 9. We are going to sort it ascending. So I'm putting 1, comma, then I'm closing this bracket. So now the values are sorted in the chart. If you can see here in table, the values are in ascending, but in chart it is in reverse order. So we should be very clear. If you put descending, then chart will become reverse. The maximum value will go to the bottom and minimum will be on top. Okay. So now we have sorted it. So now we are changing the option, but you can see the values of MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, and Virat Kohli are missing here. Dilshan, Sangakkara, all those values are missing. So now we are going to tell you how you can fix this issue. It is very simple. We are going to show you about the name manager. So you can use name manager to fix this issue. Go to formulas. Under the name manager, select define name. Here there are two variables. One is the player, next one is the average. So first the variable I am creating is player. So here what I'm going to do is I'm selecting the first cell of the array and I am adding a hash. Now I will tell you why this hash is required. Click OK. Now go to name manager. See, the player is the name what we have created. You just go and select this. See, by adding a hash, the entire table got selected of its own. So if I'm removing it, see, it is not selecting. So the hash is actually helping you to select the entire table. So now the player is available in column 1. So now what we can do is here we are going to add index function, index. So I have selected the array. Next thing is I have to add a row, but here I want all the rows. So I'm not going to add anything, then comma. Here the column what I require is column 1. So I'm closing it. Click enter. So now if you select this formula, you are going to get only column 1 data. So now the next, what we are going to do is just copy this formula and create a new name, which is going to be average. And here, just copy that formula. Instead of 1, it's going to be 9, because we have seen the average is 9th column in that table. So mention 9 and click OK. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use these two names in our chart data. So now select this and select data. Here average is there, select that option and go for edit. No need to change the series name. Here only the series value what we are going to change is just delete and keep the name of the file same as it is. Here what we have created is average. Mention that name. Make sure that sheet 1 dot exclamatory. Up to this, it is referring to the sheet name. So make sure that you are not deleting the exclamatory mark or the sheet name. You just ensure that sheet reference is given, then you mention the name, what you want to add. Click OK. Next is horizontal category, which is the player. So similarly, you remove those datas and mention player as the name. Now click OK. See, here the entire table data is selected. Fine. Now changing Australia, see, automatically the data selection gets updated. So only the players of Australia is available. That too, all players are available. No player is missing. Similarly, in Sri Lanka, exactly up to the last player, the data is selected. So hope you have learned something new in this video. Hope you would like this video. Give a like to this video. If you have any queries, put it in comment section. Subscribe our channel. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.